Oh, hey, salutations, YouTube. I have more drones. In fact, if I want to jumble them all together at the same time to hold them, I have more drones. Yeah, more drones. So these are like fucking atom drones. Atom drones. You know, like the tiny little quadcopter things. And they were kind of cheap. I got them from Sam's Club for like $20. 20 something dollars, like $25 maybe, I don't know. But anyway, I don't remember, but anyways, I got it. These are the controllers for them. According to the instructions to start these guys up, what you want to do is you want to turn on this little switch right here. You want to turn on this little switch right here. It's kind of hard to get into focus. You want to flip it like this. Okay, it lights up. You see it light up. And then you want to get this controller right here and turn that on. And then, assuming that's fine and dandy, you want to like go like that. Oop, hold on. Oop. Oh my god. I might have the wrong way. Hold on a sec. Whoa, whoa. Hang on a sec, guys. I don't know what's going on with this bitch. Hang on a sec. Okay, as you can see, these drones really hard to control. Let me try to fly in front of the camera again. Yeah. Really hard to control. Here, let me try to fly it. Oh my god, I don't know why it keeps doing that. Oh shit, that was so close. Cut my fingers off. Okay, go like this. Oh shit. See, the handling on these drones is really bad. I don't really like them, and ow. Okay, that's kind of funny. Did not expect that. You know, it would probably be more of a genius idea to actually get behind the camera to help film the drone on the camera better. Okay. See, and this is me trying to use the controller. This is funny. It's, yeah, the handling on this thing is really bonkers. Okay, let's try the second drone. I think you've seen enough of that. Hang on. Okay, put this guy right here. Forward. Okay. Okay, you got that done. You got that. Talk. It seems like these drones get easily disturbed when you crash them. They get easily disturbed when you crash them. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Okay, well, those are the drones. They're not very fun, but yeah. Yes.
I'm gonna go to Costco to get my glasses done, and then I'll be right back. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. All right. So that there you have it. Okay.